The following message is transmitted at the request of the Rockdale County Sheriff's Office, hairstylists, and the f***ing bird on fire again. There is some wacko whipping people with his very long and luxurious hair. This guy keeps doing it to everyone, even the children. He is described as 25 years old, 6 foot 3 inches tall, very long brown colored hair, wearing some sort of demon costume and very poorly done makeup, and his eye color is unknown due to his poop-colored hair covering his face. If you approach him, attempt to cut off that hair. Those bald people could definitely use some of that. Anyways, be sure to make sure he doesn't resist, because he's too into that. Someone get this man some help. Or a pair of scissors. Or both. Maybe both. The cosplay is too poor to even consider cosplay. Watch a YouTube video or something. This goes for all of you too watching behind the screen. Anyways, I'm done here. I'm going to go bird hunting because that bird is still alive. Grab your weapons, folks. We are having giant bird for dinner.